Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing. There is a handful of Nodus watches in here. I don't have much time with them, so I'm going to quickly unbox it and then try and get some full videos out on this as well. So, actually, I think I'll open this off to this side. I don't know what's underneath this wrapping here. So yeah, looking forward to spending a little bit of time with these watches. See all kinds of reuse with this box here. It's got duct tape on it and addresses and all that fun stuff. So let's open it up real quick here off to the side. Oh man, 4 watches in here. Right there, 4 different watches. It'll be fun trying to find a box to ship all these back out over to Nodus. All right. Try not to get too much stuff mixed up here. Not sure the best way to do this. All right, so here's one. Looks like a green dial. Unidirectional bezel. So let's put that back in here. I don't really have room on my desk here for all this at one time. Alrighty, see what we have here. So I think this is a Nodus not sector. Retrospect. Yes, I have. Actually, I think I might have already had this exact same watch. So I already have a video out on this one. It may actually be the exact same watch I had once before. Oh well, it's kind of funny. Actually, this is the 3rd time I received it because I think Dane sent it to me by accident too. So yeah, anyway, that's kind of funny. Roll up my sleeves here. Nope, this one's should go in this way for a little relief. Get your finger in there. Yeah, anyway. Alright, enough with the boxes. Let's see what we have in this one. Quadruple unboxing. Craziness. So this looks similar to this one. I would say it's the same case. Obviously, it's a different bracelet. Now, let's zoom in. Wow, a lot of variation here. Let's set that one over there. Bring this one over here. And we'll look at the last one. I'll try and throw these 3 different ones on wrist here. It's kind of like a puzzle here. Almost looks like a bead blasted bracelet in case. Well, that's pretty cool. That is an interesting looking bezel. Then the facet on the case there, on the crystal there. Very interesting. Too bad it has a round date window. That kind of killed it for me. Okay, military time in the middle circle there. It's a flat crystal, but then it has that chamfer on the edge there. And then the bezel kind of steps down. Very interesting. I do like that polished corner though. That's pretty neat. With that bead blasted kind of case. Very interesting. Nice H-link bracelet as well. Looks like maybe 2mm of taper. I prefer 4mm taper. This is a 22 or yeah, so that's probably 20 down to 18. 20 down to 16 would be a little nicer, but well, anyway, let me get each of these on wrist. Then we'll close out the video. It's not going too terribly long yet. Yeah, and I will try and get all the specs and all the measurements on these, and I'll do individual videos, or probably just 3 of them together again with information on all of them. I would like this a lot more without that round date window. Without a date at all, it'd be great. All right, so there's that first one. Yep, then you have to open the clasp. Guess we're going in reverse order here. Seems like a different finishing here. And one is brushed, and this one looks like it's bead blasted. Different bezel as well. This bezel is a little bit thick for my preference. I like a thinner bezel. I don't know if this is pink or copper or salmon. Okay, so we have quick release bracelet as well. I'm assuming they all have the quick release bracelet. Yep. All right, let's get this one on wrist. Probably didn't mean to take it up. Yeah. Plenty of bracelet here. You know, I have a 6.5-inch wrist. You could go up to at least 8, maybe 9 inches with this thing, I would think. I don't think I've had a dial with this color before. So no date, so that's good. Kind of reminds me of the Manta Triumph or Atlas, which are essentially the same watch. Very neat. All right, and then we'll go back to the first watch with this Beads of Rice bracelet. I actually really like Beads of Rice bracelets. I think they look good. They look kind of like a Jubilee in a way, but I think maybe even more comfortable than a Jubilee. It's a nice looking dial as well. Looks kind of like wasabi green maybe, if that is such a thing. So this is a Nodus Sector, 100-meter water resistance. And of course it has a rotating bezel. And looks kind of like the same chamfered crystal maybe as this one. Maybe it's more like the crystal on the pink dial. Yeah, I don't know. All right, let's fix this bezel. Put it back to its home position. Really don't care for circle pips on bezels like a triangle, because then the point would, it's a little easier for me to line it up at least. All right, let's put this one on rest. Probably didn't need to open that clasp either. Force a habit, I guess. Yes, I'm not going to size any of these. We need to go back to Nodus ASAP. All right, if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time, and I'll catch you on the next one. Since I have them here, let's just do this real quick. There we go. Very nice.